Okay, you're in the advanced section. That means you don't have to wind your yo-yo anymore. It's not as cool to wind your yo-yo like this anyway, so I'm going to teach you the cool way to start it. What you want to do is you actually start with the yo-yo down here like so. You might see people doing this even when they're beginners, but it's a good thing to start practicing now. Looks like this. You just spin it up like that, and the yo-yos will shoot back to your hand. And that's from it not spinning at all. It's a lot easier than winding it up, and it takes seconds compared to the while that it might take you to wind up your yo-yo. What you want to do, you start with a dead yo-yo, obviously. You don't want your yo-yo spinning at all. Hold it down here like so. You put your thumb next to the string. It should go right across the string like that. Push down on it. And this is where you're going to get your spin. You actually just push down the yo-yo like so. Watch my other throw hand now. My throw hand comes behind my head, and I push down my thumb and pull with my throw hand as I do this. So it looks like that. And that's what shoots the yo-yo up. As it does so, it usually grabs the string. Sometimes, if your yo-yo is really unresponsive, you might need to bind after it. You might need to snap and bind. But for the most part, my yo-yos are still relatively responsive when I play, and it's good enough. Throw hand up here, non-throw hand down, push down, get that spin, and get it to come right up. And sometimes you might need to roll it up a little bit, but like that, and bind up. So that's a great way to start your yo-yo up. Practice that, and you'll look a lot cooler.